Experiencing a frozen screen or no audio in your Hyundai Elantra's infotainment system? These issues often stem from software glitches or hardware problems, particularly in 2016 to 2022 models. Common symptoms include unresponsive touch controls, loss of audio output, and connectivity problems with Bluetooth or navigation. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. This often resolves minor software glitches causing freezing or audio loss. If that doesn't work, check your Elantra model and year for eligibility of any open recalls. In March 2025, Hyundai announced a voluntary recall for 2016-2020 units due to faulty capacitors in the infotainment module causing no audio issues. Owners can get free replacements at authorized dealers. Then try updating your infotainment system to the latest firmware version. Hyundai rolled out firmware version 1.5.8 for 2019-2022 models in Q1 2025, addressing freezing screens by optimizing the Android-based operating system. This update can be installed via USB or dealer service. If the issue persists beyond that, seek a professional to diagnose and resolve the underlying cause. This could involve hardware failures like capacitor degradation or persistent software conflicts. Hyundai's customer support now offers remote diagnostics via the BlueLink app. For persistent problems, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Connectivity issues? Ensure your devices are compatible and properly connected. Look for emerging DIY fixes online, but be cautious. The trend is towards over-the-air updates. Hyundai is investing in software upgrades, and future systems will likely incorporate AI for predictive maintenance. While newer Elantras have more robust systems, older models benefit from proactive updates. If all else fails, seek professional assistance to prevent voiding warranties.